Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 5th to the 9th of September 2022 on Monday. The Bengals lands off a stabbing in prison, but are unclear on who exactly has been stabbed. Nomsa gave a nonchalant to Sheleni an earful about his careless ways regarding the business. Shreya prepares the speech or her speech for the book launch, and Tando calls her friend Zodwa to spread the news that she'll be on television and in the papers for the book on Tuesday. Nomfundo dismisses Mandlovu from Punyuga's bedside, and she insisted that the family is not responsible for what happened to him. Mzwandile is disowned by Sakile and want to move on with his life with Kanyo, and Tando is angry to find that she has been cropped out of the launch in all the pictures, and accuses Shreya of wanting to hog the timelight on Tuesday. Nomsa has an idea for an exclusive Sika evening at Msamo, and together with Tusheleni, they recruit Lindiwe to help attract big spenders through Clive. Makhosazana returns to Maluchu and refuses to leave on Thursday. Makhosazana is horrified when she received a bloody cell phone that she identified as Menzi to her office. Much to her disappointment, Mazul doesn't respond in the way she wants. The cigar evening kicks off at Msamo, and Nomsa and Tushin are proud with the turnout on Friday. Sebenzile thinks a second chance with Phakade is possible. Phakade and Mazulu visit Zitulele, who is trying to put a brave face on his predicament. They both they bond over the experience with their son, and Mazulu spend the night at Phakade's house. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye everyone. Welcome.